Hello guys, my name is Alan Paul, UR16CS006, and today we are going to do a C++ program to perform a linear search. So after including the necessary header files, we are initializing two variables, key and AS of integer data type. We also have an array of size 20. Now we are asking the user to enter the size of the array. So the user enters the size of the array, and then we ask the user to enter the elements. For entering the elements, we have a for loop for int I is equal to 1. I is less than or equal to the size of the entered array. I will be incremented, that is I plus plus. So the user will enter this elements of the array. Now we ask the user to enter the number to be searched for. So we have key, therefore the keyword. So the user enters the element to be searched for. Now we have another for loop for int I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to as, I plus plus. Now we have in the for loop we have an if condition where if array I, that is the element, is equal to key, then we say that the element is found at the position I, else the element is not found. So when we run this program, we can see that it is asking for the size of the array, so I'm entering 3. It's asking for the elements, we'll enter 21, 23 and 24. Now it is asking for the number to be searched for, therefore we enter 23, and it shows that the element is found the position 2. Now we have another program for linear search. The first program was for linear search, and the second program is for binary search. After including the necessary header files, we have binary search. After including the necessary header files, we have int binary search with the integer with the array of size, then an item. Now we have a while condition, while left is equal less than or equal to right, where the value of left is equal to 0 and right is s minus 1. So in the while loop we have left less than or equal to right. Int mid is equal to left plus right by 2. Now we have an if condition where a of mid, that is array of mid, is equal to the item. We will return that the position is found at return mid plus 1. Else if a mid is less than the item, we'll return we'll say right is equal to mid minus 1, else left is equal to mid plus 1, and we'll say that the element is not found. Now in the main, this was the function. Now in the main program we have int a array of size 10 and some integer variables s, I, item, temp is equal to, which has the initialized value of as 0 and j. Now we ask the user to enter the size. The user enters the size. Then we ask the user to enter the array elements. For that we have the for loop. For I is equal to 0, I less than s, I plus plus. The user will enter the array elements. Now we have a for condition for I is equal to 0, I less than s, s minus 1, I plus plus. J is equal to 0, j less than s minus 1, j plus plus. Now if in the if condition, if a of j is greater than a of I, temp is equal to a of j is equal to a of I, and a of I is equal to temp. Now in the for loop we have for I is equal to 0, I less than s, I plus plus. See out a of I, that is we ask the user to enter the data to be searched, and we call the function. So when we run this program, we can see it is asking for the size. So we'll enter 4. The array elements will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore the data to be searched for is 2, and it is found at position 2. Therefore this program is executed successfully.